Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern LaSalle County in north central Illinois until 3:45 p.m. At 2:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Ladd, or near Peru, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. At 2:32 p.m., quarter-size hail was reported in Bureau, Illinois. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Peru, LaSalle, Earlville, Troy Grove, Prairie Center, and Triumph. Including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 58 and 71. Interstate 80 between mile markers 74 and 82. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is